Today we're going to be installing the Wasserstein Solar Charger. If you do have the Wasserstein skin, you will need to remove that, and then you'll need to remove your Ring Video Doorbell. So remember, you've got to take the screw out. We've already done that. We're not going to go into that detail. So you take the screw off of your Ring Video Doorbell 2, pull off the panel, and then you've got to remove your Ring Video Doorbell. Now what's cool is on your screwdriver there is a Phillips that you can use to remove those screws. Just take them out a little bit at a time. Make sure you keep a hold of your screws so you don't lose them. And there are 4 of them, 2 on each side. Alright, so again, you need to remove your Ring Video Doorbell to install the solar panel or solar charger. So you remove these 4 screws. Really quite simple. Just want to make sure you've got a hold of it so it doesn't fall off and break when you're removing it. There you have it. After you remove the Ring Video Doorbell 2, you'll have the 4 anchors. Now if you didn't use the anchors, you'll probably want to do that. You can use the anchors in the into wood or concrete, but if you just use the same anchors and the same screws that you used to when you installed the Ring Video Doorbell 2. So what you'll do is you just go ahead and start screwing those back into the existing anchors. And you want to do all 4 of them to make sure you get them all lined up into the right spot. So again, you'll line up the screws with the existing anchors that you already have for the Ring Video Doorbell 2. And then you just go ahead and screw those in. Make sure that you're going into the anchor. And you have them all lined up. You can just go ahead and start screwing them in. So again, you get those lined up so you make sure that they're going into the anchors. And maybe just screw them a little bit at a time. Get them so that they're just a little bit tight. You don't want to go too far. So that they're snug. There you go. Now it's nice and secure. You didn't have to do any more drilling. You just secured it to the existing holes. Now again, if you didn't use the anchors before, you might want to. This will be a little bit heavier than the Ring Video Doorbell 2. You'll notice that there are 2 clips, and on the Ring Video Doorbell 2 there are 2 screws. So we're now just going to attach those 2 clips to the 2 screws. The next thing that you're going to do is you need to loosen up the screws. You'll notice that there are 2 screws on the back of the Ring Video Doorbell 2. You'll go ahead and slide those clips in, and then you're going to tighten the screws. And the next thing that you'll do, you'll tuck this cord back into the solar charger, and then you're going to just attach and you want to make sure you get the cord tucked in so it doesn't get in the way. Once you get the cord tucked in, then we're just going to mount the Ring Doorbell to the solar panel. So 2 extra screws, shorter screws in the Wasserstein Solar Charger. I think those are to be used if you don't have the screws in the back of your Ring Video Doorbell 2, but so I didn't have to use those. So there are 4 screws that need to be used to attach your Ring Video Doorbell 2 to the Solar Charger. There's one here, one here. We've already put those in. And then you've got two more on the other side. And we'll just go ahead and put those in. And then we've got one more in the bottom. There's one more at the bottom. Once you get all four of them in, you'll just tighten them so that they're snug. You don't want to over tighten them. Just nice and easy so that they're snug. And there you have it. Now, the last thing you want to do is you'll need to put on your Ring Video Doorbell 2 case. Okay, now we're just going to put on the cover. So to do that, you just slide it on, get the screw screwed in at the bottom. And you need to have your little screwdriver. And just tighten it up. And there you have it. All right, now we've completed the installation of the Wasserstein Solar Charger, and we're going to see how well it works. Hopefully it'll keep our battery charged. And make sure you subscribe to Big Al Repairs. And we're going to finish this off by putting on the skin. And there you have it. You're going to find these two Wasserstein items on Amazon.com. Thanks for watching, and remember, please subscribe to Big Al Repairs.